everyone, welcome to Accounting in Minutes Academy, AIMA, the show where we take the confusing world of business and turn it into something that actually makes sense. I'm your host, Aisha, and today we're talking about a word that usually makes people want to take a nap: accounting. Now wait, don't click away yet. I promise it's cooler than it sounds. Think of accounting as the language of business. Imagine a giant store that sells 10,000 packs of gum every single day. If the owner tried to keep track of every single tiny receipt, their office would look like a paper explosion. Accounting takes that mountain of messy chaos and translates it into one beautiful, easy-to-read number called revenue. It's basically like having a superpower that turns a messy room into a perfectly organized Lego set in 5 seconds. So, who is actually reading these reports? We can split them into 2 teams. Team internal. These are the people inside the business. Managers use accounting to decide if they can afford to buy that fancy new robot, and owners check it to see if they're actually making money or just losing it. Even employees check the reports, mostly to make sure the company is stable enough to keep paying for their snacks in the break room. Team external. These are the people outside the business. You've got banks, the lenders, who want to make sure you can actually pay them back before they give you a loan. And then there's the government. They check the reports to make sure you're paying your taxes and not trying to pull any funny business or fraud. You might think, can't I just guess how my business is doing? Well, accounting helps people make decisions based on real data instead of just a gut feeling. Because let's be honest, your gut feeling might tell you to spend all the company's money on a giant chocolate fountain, but the accounting reports will politely remind you that you still have to pay the electricity bill. Finally, let's settle a common mix-up: bookkeeping versus accounting. Think of bookkeeping as the first step. It's the daily chore of recording every cent that moves. It's like writing down every single ingredient you bought at the grocery store. Accounting is the bigger, boss level. It's taking those records and analyzing them to see the big picture. While a bookkeeper records the data, the accountant uses their skills to tell the story of whether the business is healthy or headed for a financial flu. So, there you have it. Accounting isn't just about dusty calculators. It's the systematic way we prove where every cent went and plan for a future where we don't run out of cash. Thanks for hanging out with me. In the next episode, we'll talk about the types of accounts. And trust me, that's where things become even more interesting. This is Accounting in Minutes Academy, AIMA. Let's keep it simple.